Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's around 6:30 in the morning and today we are starting with season 2. In season 2 we will be exploring Konkan region, which is a coastline of Maharashtra, and it's a stretch of around 7 to 800 kilometers, which we will be covering in the next 4 to 5 days. Today we are starting from Alibaug and we'll be going till Vengurla, which is the most southern part of our Konkan region. So our bike is completely packed. So let's start this journey. Let's go. So today's distance and journey is going to be close to 250 kilometers. So we are heading Alibaug at the moment, and it's showing around 140 kilometers. And then once we go Alibaug, then we will explore there for a bit, and then we will go to Kashid beach, where we'll see the Kashid beach. So there are two improvements that I did after my last trip in Kerala, is that I have got myself a new mobile holder. So now this is a more steady one, and it's not a plastic one. And it also has the option to charge your mobile phone, so that is good. तो अभी हम लोग पुराने पुणे मुंबई हाईवे पे हैं. आई थिंक ब्रेकफास्ट कर लेना चाहिए अभी. ऑलमोस्ट 30 किलोमीटर हो चुके हैं फ्रॉम द पॉइंट वी स्टार्टेड, विच इज़ फ्रॉम स्वारगेट. So that was lunch. Now we are on our way to Kashid beach, which is 10 kilometers from here. We are on the Kashid beach, and it's very less populated, which is good. I will just show you how it looks. It is less populated, maybe because it's afternoon, and it's also Friday. So yeah, but anyway, it's good for us that we got to spend some time. Now we are heading towards Roha, which is going to be another 60 kilometers, where we will be doing river rafting tomorrow morning. Hi guys, so we have reached Kolad, and this is the room where I'm staying tonight. And we can also utilize their tents. But I'm not going to use them. So tomorrow early morning we will be having our river rafting. So it starts at 6:30 or 7 o'clock in the morning, and we'll have to take an auto from here to the point. So it will be around 12 kilometers of river rafting here in Kundalika river. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow, and we'll continue this video from the river rafting. Action!
It's very early, so good morning! Good morning! We're at Kolad River Rafting, and I never knew.
We have been there before. मजा आता है
Okay, go forward again. Forward. Forward all. Okay, stop. Jump! Wow!
Hi guys, so that was Kolad river rafting, really beautiful. Now I will just pack and we will be going to Murud Janjira. That's a fort. So yeah, the hotel that I'm staying has kind of arranged this river rafting. So they have a package of around 2500 rupees, which includes breakfast, 2 time lunch, 1 time dinner, stay, and also the rafting. So it was really good. So I'll just pack and we'll continue our journey towards Murud Janjira. If you enjoyed, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.